Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I want to share with you guys this revamp of this wig that I have had. So I'm going to be adding some long layers to it. So of course I had to start off with just putting the wig on. This wig is super long and super thick, so I thought the perfect style for it would be to cut some long layers. So to do that, I did start off by washing this unit and I did blow dry it, and now I am ready to cut. So when I am cutting long layers especially, I like to do my initial cut at the bottom of the wig. So I will split the wig into two sections and then section off the hair with that initial bottom portion, and I will make my length cut. So really for the length cut, I want the hair to be long, so I'll leave it a little bit long, but I like to cut in a diagonal fashion like I am doing now. That way it kind of keeps everything blended and none of the layers look choppy. You can also cut upwards. So the way that I was just cutting, instead of cutting down, you'll cut up like I'm doing now. You can hardly see it, but I'll cut up. I didn't start cutting downwards until I started getting a little more comfortable with cutting layers. But if you cut upwards and slide your fingertips right to the right up until you want the hair to be cut at, your layers will lay seamlessly. They won't look choppy at all, and you can kind of practice that way. But after I make my initial cut, I decide to section off my hair layer by layer, as you can see that I'm doing in the video, and I will kind of match up the bottom layer that's already been cut to the new hair that needs to be cut. So you'll have an even cut all the way up, and then I'll add some extra thick layers to frame my face like I'm doing now. So once you cut all around the wig, you'll start to cut the front in a different fashion so that you get those thick cuts. Now, I did also take thick pieces of hair when it came to cutting. I was just looking for that thick, kind of long layer type of style. But I've been practicing cutting layers for a while, so I am getting a little bit better. But yeah, so this is how it is coming out. I like to kind of brush the hair out, make sure that nothing looks too choppy or weird, and then I will go back in and start cutting some more. Another thing that you can do is do your initial cuts, working your way up, point cutting upwards if you are just starting out, so that you don't chop any hair off kind of crazily. You can you can curl your hair right after you're done cutting. And when you curl your hair, when it's finished curling and you comb it out, you'll kind of see sections of the hair that needs to be cut more. So I love to go in and add additional cuts after my hair is styled. That is the perfect way to see how everything in your layers kind of flow after you've styled it, and the curls kind of make it easier. You'll see exactly the point that needs to be cut. I think I did add that into this video. I'm not really sure, but I think I did. But yeah, the best advice that I could give when cutting layers is to start off with small sections and to point cut upwards. Again, you slide your fingers all the way down the hair until you are at where you want the cut to be made, and you take your scissors, point it upward, and you cut across until the hair is gone, and all of your layers will literally be seamless. But yeah, so right now I am just curling my hair upwards. I really like that style right now. I've been liking kind of the flipped curls right now, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to brush my curls out with a round brush, and then I am going to make some additional cuts as well. She said, take your time, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. Okay guys, so I'm done curling my hair, and I did brush it out with my round brush to kind of help flip the curls upward. And now you can see, like, if any of your layers are too long to where they're not really like giving layers, you're gonna just slide your scissors in a downward motion across the extra pieces of hair that aren't allowing the curl to really kind of like flow and pop upwards. You're gonna cut that off slowly and in small sections, and you'll come out with the perfect result. So I hope you guys love this video. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This wig is also for sale on my website. I have it linked below if you're interested in purchasing. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.